All right, hey guys, welcome back to Dare to Grow TV, and hello if you're listening in on the podcast. Today, I want to bring your consciousness and your awareness to a fundamental idea that will change the game for you, and it's being aware of the dominant thought that you are thinking about, focusing on, living through, and having the audacity and the power and the ability to change the dominant thought to change what you get in your life, because I can assure you that the life you're living today reflects the thoughts that you've been thinking up until now. To change your life, you've got to change the dominant thought. Here's how. Okay, bear with me here. It's going to take me a second to explain it, but if you can understand this concept, you can have anything you want in your life. It is the fundamental basis of the law of attraction, of manifestation, of getting anything that you want in your life. And knowing this, I feel so powerful. I feel like anything I want, I know how to get, but it is a conscious practice. It's not something that happens casually. It's not something that's going to happen if you leave your mind to its own devices. Don't do that. That is a fast way down into all the things you don't want in life. To get what you want in life, you must engage in this process. It is a physical process. It is a conscious process. It is the conscious process of creation. Okay, so if I go around the houses, bear with me because I really want this to land. What I want you to understand is that in order to get what you want in your life, you must practice having a dominant thought that aligns with it. And most often, people are actually practicing a dominant thought that is in opposition to what they want. So they want a thing, they're actually thinking the opposite of it. I really want 100K a year. I wish I could do 100K in sales. I wish I had this course and it was popping off. I wish I was making these sales. And their dominant thought is, no one wants to buy from me. I don't want to go on camera. I hate the way I sound. I don't want to film this course. I don't want to finish this thing. You cannot live in those dominant thoughts and bring about something in opposition to it. Can you see that? It just cannot happen. So in order to bring about the 100K a year, the love of your life, the body that you want, the lifestyle that you want, your first job is to think in alignment with that outcome. And here's the thing. When you start thinking in alignment with that outcome, it still takes time for it to come around, because you can think it and not believe it. I could start saying, I want to do 100K a year. I'm so excited about my 100K a year, and not really believe it. I have to get into alignment with it and believe it. It has to become a dominant vibration in my life, and I need reality to have time to catch up with those thoughts. All right, so this is what we're talking about. Let me break it down for you. All right, so to keep it simple, let's go with the idea of 100K a year. Let's say you want to do 100K in sales in your online business. There are two things that matter for you to do that. I'm so excited about this video. There are two things that matter for you to do that. The first thing is, you have to ask yourself, the person with a 100K a year, what do they do? What are the priorities? What are the behaviors? What are they doing on a daily basis to bring that about? And the second thing you've got to consider is, how do they talk to themselves? What do they focus on? What are they thinking about? And can you see how deliberate this has to be? You cannot wake up and just let the day unfold, let your mind do its thing. You have to consciously create the opportunities. You have to consciously create the life that you're building. So you wake up in the morning and you think, right, I want to do a 100K a year. What is the dominant action? Okay, I should probably go out and meet more of the kind of people who are going to buy from me, make offers, give them a way to test out what I'm offering, run freebies, run funnels, whatever that looks like, put webinars on, go networking, put on events, and actually pitch my offer. I have to be opening up sales conversations, right? That's the first thing in terms of action. What does somebody who behaves in that way, making offers, pitching, creating sales conversations, sales opportunities, what does somebody who does that kind of thing on a daily basis, what do they think? So in the morning, they wake up, and like everybody else, they have fears, they have phobias, they have challenges, they have blocks, they have self-limiting beliefs. They come up. Oh no, I've got a webinar later. What happens if the tech fails? Oh no, what if nobody buys it? Oh no, what if this launch doesn't work? Everyone has those thoughts. It's human nature. A lot of people though allow those thoughts to continue, and they become the dominant thought. I'm never going to sell. This isn't going to work. No one wants to hear from me. What if the trolls start commenting? Blah, 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 blah. The person who actually makes the sales wakes up, hears those same thoughts and says, oh, hang about. This isn't how I bring about the life that I want. Let me decide where to put my attention. Let me decide what to think about. Let me focus my mind on the thing I'm trying to bring about. So they might use an affirmation like, I love what I do. Thank you for this opportunity to go out and share what I know with more people. I know for a fact there are people out there right now who want to buy from exactly me because my life experience, my personality, the way I am, what I'm into, the way I come across, that is who they're looking for. My job is to get in front of them. Today, how can I get in front of those people? What could I do? Oh, I could make a reel. I could create a new PDF that I put out. I could learn Facebook ads and share my content to a bigger audience. I could reach out to 3 people I met networking, take them for a one-to-one, educate them on what I do, because I never know who they might meet and who they could tell me about. I might do another chapter of my book, send it off to 3 new agents, see if I can't get a book deal. I might plan content for podcasts and get that out and extend my reach. Do you see the difference in those dominant thoughts? Do you see the difference in the way the first person behaves versus the second person behaves? And here's the thing, everything you want in life is a stretch. It has to be, because if it wasn't, you'd be living it. You are living in a zone of comfort. You are living in a world right now that is comfortable to you, that is familiar to you. Even if you don't like it, it is comfortable and it's familiar. And every day, quite often I find people are living a life that is difficult because the day-to-day life is easy. For you to get a different result, you're going to have to do what's difficult day to day, practice becoming a more honest, more open, more out there version of yourself in order to bring about a different outcome in your life. So what's the vision? What's the goal? What does the person with that outcome think about on a daily basis? Never mind the first thoughts that come up, they're garbage. We don't want them. Say, oh, thank you for the awareness of my self-limiting beliefs. Let me now redirect my mind into the life that I want. So let me finish up by saying this. What I find with a lot of people who do this work is they say to me, Lisa, I want to do 100K in a year. And I say, okay, what does somebody with 100K do? Right, they're probably running offers, they finished their course. Oh, I haven't finished my course. How are you ever going to do 100K if you haven't finished filming your course? That's your priority. What's the problem? Oh, I hate the way I look on camera. Okay, what are you going to do about that? Your thoughts and the way you're behaving and the way you're talking to yourself are in opposition to the action you need to take and the result you want to get. So break it down. What are the thoughts you're thinking? How are they bringing about the life that you're living? What is the life that you want? And what are the dominant thoughts that you need to build, craft, focus on a daily basis to bring about the life that you want? And remember, this stuff isn't easy. It's not what is taught to us, sadly, and I wish it was something we were taught, but you're getting the opportunity to learn now. So don't blame anyone, don't be angry. I wish I knew this sooner. It doesn't matter. You know now. The thoughts that come up when you wake up aren't going to help you. Every day, consciously, I'm so grateful to be awake today. I'm so grateful for the opportunity to go out and help people. I can't wait to take my offer to the world. I'm going to push myself. I'm going to be the person who does the thing and focus your mind where it needs to go to get the result that you want. All right? I hope this helps. Don't forget, if you love this video, hit like, hit subscribe, share it with someone who would love these ideas. Leave me a little comment and let me know, and I will see you in the next episode.